red cat prowling through the green, 30 centimeters looking mean. He's on a mission, so he thinks, but he gets distracted by the way grass blinks. Sniffing hard that he's on the trail of a missing mouse, or was it a snail? Head held high like he's got a clue, but we both know he hasn't got a view. Red cat in the green grass, hunting the unknown, but mostly just finding things humans have thrown. A plastic spoon with socks so blue.
What's this treasure? It's not for you.
He's got no sense, no grace, no tact, but that's what makes him the red cat. He crouches low, so sneaking so slow, but then he sneezes off, goes to show a half-eaten sandwich in the dirt. To him, it's a prize, it was his dessert. Paws in the grass, a wildcat found a shiny lid that spins around. That's it once, twice, it's a game, and the mouse he chased, well, that's a shame. Red cat in the green grass, hunting unknown,
mostly just finding things humans have thrown.
A broken comb, a candy bar, rat rat. He's king of trash in his green grass lap. So here's to you, red cat, on your quest. We know you're dumb, but you're trying your best. In a world of grass so wild, so vast,
You're just looking for love,
but
place a snack. At last.